morning.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Okay, welcome everyone. Hope you guys are doing well.
Yes.
Ready for a slow day?
Slow day, yes.
Yeah, it's gonna be, I think the same story as yesterday. To be fair, yesterday did start to push, to be fair, a little bit, but
Yeah.
not too much. Ping-ponging from 1954 to 1960 was decent yesterday, but it wasn't bad. So let me just get this here. So yeah, obviously big news day today, and it already looks like it's ready for it because yeah, GJ is ranging more than Goldie. So yeah, in terms of today, it looks like we haven't really moved since yesterday. Really, still in the same kind of area. On GJ. First things first, let's take a look at the higher time frames. So, should I do Goldie first, just in case we're pushing? Yeah, I'll do Goldie first because GJ looks horrendous. So last daily candle on gold closed bullish, and we've already broke the high of the previous, which is good. Good to see. Okay. So in terms of that, I mean, yeah, nice bullish. It's engulfed the previous candle. Maybe low wick flip, push to the previous high, 1979, to fill that range. So that's okay. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. We are pushing up, breaking previous 4-hour high very shortly. Very nice. So yeah, looking like we are a little bit bullish at the moment here. Rejected them lows pretty hard twice as well, which is pretty mad. And now we are pushing back up. So there is a resistance right here. Okay, this is a resistance slash support. Okay, because we held it as support there, now it's holding as resistance. Yeah, in terms of that, I mean, could you potentially look for a closure above? You could do. There is a order block. How far is that from there? Yeah, 18 pips away. It's not the biggest range. But I think in total zonage, you could maybe get a push from A to B. But again, I mean, it's, for me, candles are not working at the moment. Sorry, clean zones. So I think the best thing for me to do is wait for maybe some resistance to form here, maybe an M formation to form on Goldie. Obviously, the rest of the zone is all here. That's fine. 1953. So yeah, I think the main thing is waiting to see how we close above here. You can maybe look to take it if you give it much confidence, but for me here, as I say, because the clean zones are not pushing, I don't really fancy taking any until I see them starting to work again. So yeah, we'll see that, because for the most part they're struggling at the moment. Let's take a look and see what happened here before. Yeah, so a little bit of rejection, a little bit of some big wicks, but we do fill that zone quite nicely. So yeah, the market just waiting for you to close the stream. Market's been tough, brother, for me, as well. Yeah. So yeah, I think potentially see how we react at this level here. If we form like an M, could maybe look to take it. But yeah, I think in terms of pushes, I mean, yeah, this would be where I'll be looking at for above, because buys above 1967. So I'm going to put this on here, but as I say, I'm not going to be taking a closure trade yet. I need to see it starting to push. I need to see zones that are clean actually pushing, because at the moment they're not. GU in the day looks solid for buys, just need to find some sort of entry. Very nice. So now let's take a look at GJ. GJ daily candle. You know, last one closed bearish below, then then the one yesterday closed bullish back above again. This proves resistance, but yeah, the daily candles are a little bit hard now, starting to make quite a big range in this area. So I'll add that on. There's the daily flip. Yeah, 4-hour candles are getting very, very small. Showing a lack of volume, showing potential range in the lower time frames. So we'll take a look at that. Take a look at the hourly. Yeah, so the hourly, can you already see in, you know, it's got a resistance. It's holding pretty strong here. You know, right around these areas there. Like that. There's a little bit of a 50-minute fake up, but apart from that, yeah, we've been ranging. So yeah, I mean, pretty simple here. I'll do the high of this zone as well. Obviously, there's this zone above, but got a lot of rejection wicks in that area, so it doesn't look very nice that it's pushing above this. Also, there's 182 flat, which is a big psychological level. That's why I was struggling to break there as well. So if you bring my line down here, 180,900, you can see that on the 30 we are stepping up. Here, you know, we are stepping up. But we'll have to see. Obviously, price action right now is garbage. The only thing that I really want to look at is maybe sells back below 180,900. And the buys for me are, you know, are pretty hard in terms of structure at the moment. So yeah. But yeah, I don't expect much from, well, yesterday and today, to be honest, because of the news later on, and it seems to be ranging a lot earlier on, so it's expected to be quite big, I think. This news. So yeah, you have to see how that does. DJ tapped my stop right before it flew down the range. Oof. What, just now? Yeah. You shouldn't really be in a GJ trade before then. Look at this consolidation, man. So Goldie's flying. Goldie. Let me this one. What are you looking at, Dennis, my brother? You eyeing anything up?
I'm already in Goldie.
Nice. Where did you get in?
Yeah, a little bit late. 1964.
That's not bad. It's not bad.
No.
There's a little 5-minute W there. That wasn't bad. Yeah, that wasn't bad at all, actually. That was pretty decent. What time was that? 6:30. A second. It's a bit hot.
That's a top wick in the middle.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, wee.
Goldie is flying.
Yeah. Straight rip. Straight ripperoonie.
Nice.
I think we missed the move. Yeah. There's a little W there, which just happened at 6:30. I would have missed it even if we started at 6:30. To be fair, because we started setting up, so it's okay. It's a big move, that. Nice little volume. So yeah, now if you are in a gold buys, I think the has it tapped this area yet? No, it's took a little while to get. It's not there yet. So GJ rejected that high again. Interesting. So what's it actually ranging from? Yeah, like 182 to 181,650. Not bad.
Come on, Goldie.
Still going.
Yes.
Really nice strong candles there in the 5. But this is what I've been noticing recently. You know, this is the push. Obviously, it can still continue, but this is when it starts to get where you get in maybe a little bit too late, and then it starts to range again, and then you get caught in the range for 2 hours after. So there's just a lot of volume at the start with the push, and then when the push is done, it tends to struggle.
Yeah, I will take 50%, I think.
Yeah. The TP2 like 1973.
Yeah. Yes, I took 50. So, stop loss and profits. Let's run.
Very, very nice, brother. Great trade.
Yes.
Did you get on the hourly closure? Right around there. Low wick flip.
I wait before he passed the middle wick, the highest wick in the middle, to confirm the W.
Yeah.
This here, this one.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Beautiful.
That was my confirmation.
Very nice. Let's move more the whole of Asian. Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful, Brian. Good lad. Does it tap that order block yet? Very close. Very close. If you guys haven't closed anything yet, you know, you are coming up to 1970. I'd probably say close something. Was holding it from Asian session not going to touch Asian? Yeah, Asian session didn't really do much again. Held support though, which is good. And yeah, the closure was nice. Very good. So yeah, people in the YouTube chat, are you guys gonna be trading FOMC today or not? Are you gonna be leaving it out and just seeing how it goes? Let's take a look and see what else is actually on today. Some chuff news. Yeah, nothing really though. Until really there. Which is good. NY session might be alright actually, to be fair, because there's no news. Might get some English before. Gulag will never miss FOMC. It's like Christmas, eh?
How was your golfing yesterday?
It was good, man. Yeah, I was
Practicing your swing?
yeah, switching the hips, changing it. It was good.
And it
I was hitting
improved?
them. Yeah, I was hitting, especially the irons much higher and further. I was flying them, to be fair. They were going far.
Nice.
But,
So, it's always nice when you're practicing something and it's getting better.
yeah. And the
Gives you a good feeling.
Oh yeah. There's still some balls that like the consistency was not there all the time, especially when I put my head up. If I put my head up, it just goes completely shagged.
Yeah.
I think yeah, if I lift my head up a bit too early, whatever, I think I hit the ball on the top of it, on like the head, so it doesn't really go very far. But yeah, it was good fun.
Nice.
Yeah, where did I put it? I put it in here somewhere. Where the hell is it? That's the 25th. I don't know. But yeah, it was good fun. I swear I put it in here somewhere. There we go.
Yeah. Yeah, I see this one.
Nice.
It's really, yeah, the weather is also nice.
Yeah.
Better than here. We had a lot of rain.
Yeah, like I'm swinging much more now. Like,
Yeah.
it's not just my shoulders. And then yeah, I kind of like doing that motion where you like drive it down. It's nice.
Yeah.
Felt good.
Eyes on the ball.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's look nice.
Very nice. That's
Yeah,
great.
it's getting better.
Gold already moved 50 pips. I'll wait for a pullback. Yeah, you could do.
Yeah,
The daily's on the move. Where would the pullback make sense? Well, maybe 67, maybe 66, 65.8.
Yeah. Or just go up.
Yep.
Fly,
Swing like a rusty gate. A fake out would be great. Fake out really wouldn't be in your side though because it's not very bearish. Even with structure here, you know, just always breaking up, retesting, breaking up. So to follow the trend, which is what you should really do, is yeah, wait for a pull back, and then yeah, continuation. Is GJ gonna leave this zone? Yeah, GJ is still quite hard one. The daily closing weirdly, it's quite hard. This zone below seems to push very well. You just don't want to get trapped in this range. That's the only issue. But what I'm looking at is these candles here. They seem to move pretty nice. Even like yesterday that we discussed, like here, this is a nice push, then rejected, but that's not bad at all. Not bad. Do 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 do. So, in terms of the news, are they expecting it to increase again? Let's see. Yep, 0.25. Has it been doing 0.25 intervals? Oh, the June one, they did not change it. Interesting. They didn't change it last month. Maybe they thought that they could wind off it already. But what was the inflation? Well, let's take a look. Where was the CPI and stuff like that? What was the last US CPI? Changing the price, yeah, so the price of goods and services there. There we go, there's the CPI, okay. So the CPI for the US, which was on the 12th of July, was 0.2%, so it is still increasing, so they've got to stop that. Let's take a look and see what happened on the last time. Yeah, so June actually went down. Forecast is 0.2, 0.1. So yeah, we'll see. Looking like they could either go and not raise them, or then move to 0.4. I think 0.25. They're the two outcomes, I think. Right, again, another pair where it's just ripped off, which is nice. But in market conditions like this, I mean, yeah, there was an entry on gold there, maybe a W at a little bit of support. Or you could have got it maybe on that hourly closure. But yeah, like days like this where they just push with like one candle, I wouldn't more think of like, especially like this GJ one, I wouldn't think too much about like, oh, how could I have got in? Like, you would have had to have got in maybe on the 5-minute time frame. A little bit of an M. Hourly, not really much of a top wick, so it's quite hard. I hate taking M's at the start of hourlies. They tend to not work too well because it's just lots of volume. Can break that high, then continue. But yeah, looking like it's off the road now. So yeah, Goldie's right in this OB level now, so we'll see how it reacts. Yesterday it reacted so many times in the little order block areas. It was very nice. Also, 1970 is going to get tapped here. Do I expect gold to push, you know, further, like above here? Not really, because again, there's just no point in pushing. You know, there's no point in gold moving price like that when the news is going to be really changing it later on. So it tends to range between two levels. Let's take a look here. Oh my god. Well, the volume's definitely here today.
The opposite of Goldie.
Yeah. Oh yes. Did they get any 5-minute closure there? No, yeah, you'd have to just impulse it. Or got in a little bit higher up. Yeah, so even the 15 didn't close above here, so just the 5 minutes closed above. And there we go, kind of clean candles pushed, filled the zone. Now it's coming towards traffic, so again, that could be quite interesting. 30-minute just closed. We are pushing B. No FOMC for me. Done for today with this gold trade. Very nice, Mark. Yeah. Great job. If you made some money on FOMC day, it's really, really good. Very good, very nice. Ooh, CoffeeZilla's got another video. Oh, I've seen this. This guy gets done out. I saw Daniel Savage deleted his video like yesterday. He took that L, didn't he? I think GJ never recovered. Let's take a look and see how MX channel's doing. Very nice. 26,000 14 hours ago. These videos are popping off. Honestly, I wouldn't even bother trading today. Markets will already be priced in, and FOMC will bring true volume. Yeah, it's a nice little push there, though. Let's take a look and see what happened last time. Because not yawning, Jesus Christ. So, 7 o'clock, when was the last one that came out? So it came out on June the 14th. So, ooh, interesting. Had a big push up at 130. Range. Yeah, so 130 was okay. After that, it's pretty much done, so. Which tends to be correct for most times, I think. Honestly, since turning into your streams, I've learned a lot about the W and M formations to help me get in today's gold trade. Very nice. Well done, man. Great job for paying attention. I know I haven't been the best recently, but still here providing the values. But yeah, we're discussing as a group. It's just different cycles, you know. You gotta stick to the ones that you're good at. As long as I'm not losing loads of money in these little market conditions, it's all good. But yeah, as we know that they're a little bit harder than normal with the clean zones and stuff, you just look for other ways to get in, and they're the ways. Like, you know, when you're at support, look for a W, all that kind of stuff. How would you identify an order block? It's a candle before the push and break of structure. So here, candle before the break of structure broke that low. So that's an order block. Candle before the push. And it's that whole area. GJ, fucking hell, man. It's moved more than I did the whole of yesterday. Like 2 30-minute candles. The whole zone.
Really unbelievable, huh?
Yeah. Very, very nice. Have you still got 50% on, Dennis?
I got 75% out, so I'm still in with 25%.
Nice.
Yeah.
The retest would be, yeah, like 1967, even
Or a little bit.
1965.8.
Yeah.
But your entry's a little bit lower, so that's all good.
Yeah.
That's good. You've seen the grease, yeah, the roads is still going on. How did they say it started? Just people setting a fire or something?
I don't know how it started.
Hmm?
I don't know how it started.
Yeah.
Maybe cigarette. I don't know.
Just because it's so hot, yeah.
Yeah. One spark was from something because it's so dry.
Yeah. It happens a lot of that, doesn't it? Like,
Yeah, every year, also in the mainland, on the islands.
And has this been happening for centuries or not? Like, I suppose.
I think so.
Yeah. It's a known thing you got to deal with in a hot country.
2 years ago, there was a big fire on the mainland in Peloponnese. Global warming.
Yeah. And yeah, it's ones with like really dry grass in it, because you know, the Arabs in the sand, they're all good.
Yeah.
There's nothing to set alight there. Started in the last years in Europe due to increased temperatures, we are melting. Yeah, how do you even combat that? Like, you just have to get on with it. You can't really do much about it. Just tell people not to be so stupid. Because it's people, isn't it? Just like, yeah, cigarette butts, or even just trying to make a fire, which is stupid as well. Or glass? What, really?
Yeah, or glass, yeah.
Oh, glass and the sun's shining on it.
Yeah,
like a magnifying it, yeah.
Yeah.
Very true. There's the rejection of this order block. So yeah, like order blocks at the start, you know, you don't have to use them as combos, just use them as levels of TPs, you know. They especially recently, they tend to hold really well.
$19.67. Rustig. Chappie.
Did Messi play again last night? I'm pretty sure he scored a hat-trick. Did he score a hat-trick?
Messi as he wears the captain's armband for Inter Miami. A lot of talk of Messi's maturity. Diego Valeri spoke with Katie with him being a leader. It seems, Taylor, he has led from the moment he landed here.
Opening the game going forward. Great ball from...
How is no one marking him? Like, I just don't... How can you be a professional football player and not at least one of you goons? What is this guy doing in no man's land? Like, how do these guys get paid? MLS football is fucking shocking. Did that dude even run back?
Messi with Kazan off his line. Messi!
Big game tomorrow.
Shit.
Tonight, the second act. With Kazan off the he's on the with Kazan.
My guy's strolling back, like, yeah, whatever. Guy's copying Maguire. He rarely misses chances like that, man. He always finds a way to get that thing in the ball, in the net.
To find the space to pick
The ball to Martinez. Joseph Martinez. Miller into Allen. Allen to Messi.
Look at that pass, bro. I just understand why they both just don't retire. Ronaldo and Messi would have definitely had a better career if they just retired a few years earlier. Gotta make bag, man. And I think that, yeah, they still enjoy it. They don't want to, you know. If they're still fitting well, why would you retire? Are you looking for an M1 gold here? No, because they're not out of resistance. Obviously, we're at, you know, an order block where there could be resistance there, but it's not a main, like, obvious level. Especially when we're counter trend, we need an obvious res. So maybe if it came up to like 1972, then started to make one with a big magnet, then you could do. Indicate a name, please. Asian Range Nico 948. So yeah, today we'll go through another simulation. We'll probably do it at like 12. Because I think, yeah, we'll be bored at that time anyway, because it'll be quite slow. Maybe like half 11, 12 we'll do it. Do the 4 hour. But yeah, it's a chill day. Chill month. How would they have both created? Yeah. Personally, if that was, I would have easily stopped that goal. Well, I would have been fucking marking him a little bit better.
Martinez. Joseph Martinez. Messi.
You score again? Yeah, I think he scored. Look at that goal as well.
Bring it back. Martinez left it for Messi.
Another one.
Ronald Hernandez. Almada coming back to help defend. Taylor to his left. Robert Taylor up and running. Robert Taylor off the post.
Very nice. In terms of trades this month, guys, I know I haven't been here for a lot of them, but how is your like London NY comparison? I need to still add these on. Rarely NY, not many, too many NY. Also, guys, make sure to send the link in the chart if you guys are looking to take any trades or your ideas. Make sure to send them in. We'll take a look at them. Let's discuss some ideas. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see if they keep the rates or not. Messi should have seen a Barca his whole career retired. Yeah, but he couldn't. He didn't flip-flop to PSG. He had to go. Barcelona weren't gonna pay. He even said half his wage.
Continue.
You know?
Wil je de hondjes nog eten geven?
Ja.
En om 10 uur kan je dan gelijk de was ophangen, want dan is het ook klaar.
Ja.
Ja. Fancy some milk this morning. Nice fresh milk. Oh. When I was 16, 17 trying to put some weight on, my God. I drank pints and pints of milk. I see so many people at the gym, man, and you can tell like they want to get big, but it's like they're doing all the exercises right. But it's like, man, when you go home, your whole task is to put as much food in your body as possible. Like, they're doing all these weights. Like, bro, you are tiny, man. You need to go home and eat some fucking rice and chicken, bro. Get it down, yeah, boy. If you had to do one sport professionally, what would it be? What would it be? Boxing, really? Golf. Yeah. How does golf even work? Get paid a fortune to walk around in nice weather. How does golf work in terms of wages? You just have to go to the things, don't you? It's like tennis. Kickboxing. They play Thursday to Sunday? What? Do they get paid? Like, I know, like, if you're a good tennis player and you're like top 300, like from 300 to like 150th in the world, you get paid nothing. Well, not nothing. I think I saw some guy on TikTok getting paid like 60 grand a year to play. If you get cut before the weekend, you don't get paid anything at all. See, that's mad, isn't it? Like, whereas football, you always get paid. So football, I'd say football, but I've got two left feet. Swim that way, I got a fighting chance of if I ever stuck it out in the ocean. Yeah. I think I would do... I think F1 would be hilariously fun. But F1 is also scary, man. Don't tennis and golf get paid through sponsorships, or am I just making that up in my head? No, I think they do. But again, like, how low down the ranks? I think it just disappears quite quickly. I think the safest... Like, let's just say, right, you are, you know, an average player, an average professional player. Like, you don't know about your career yet. I think the safest bet is football, to be fair. Because you can go to a club, you can do well, you can change clubs quite quickly, and then change your thing. Whereas, like, F1, like if the car doesn't suit you, then you're pretty fucked, and you're only there for a certain amount of years until you get booted if you don't perform. I'd say football is the easiest to get paid a decent amount. Like, I know some people in like 3 leagues below Prem getting paid decent. Yeah, like, there's Wrexham players, they're getting paid like 200 grand a year, so 300 grand a year. They're in fucking National League, you know they're getting paid a little bit more. That's not bad. Right, next question. What kind of sports do you like, though, in terms of, do you like, so I always like this with my dad, I always like realize that my dad likes like single player sports. So what do you guys think? Do you like playing in a team, or do you like playing by yourself? Single, yeah. Self, yeah. Suppose because you then... No one else to blame. Yeah. Yeah, there's no one else to blame. Very true. Yeah, see, so yeah, it gives you full responsibility, but man, like the pressure can be hard, man. But then I suppose if you do it by yourself, you get more money, don't you? Yeah. Really, like on average, you know. In football, you get famous pretty quickly if you're hardworking. Yeah. Man, like Gary Neville, man. Gary Neville has been a grafter from day dot, man. I actually really, you know, like Gary stuff. Oh my god, anyone hear this freestyle? I'm a bit annoyed though. The freestyle is 110 million% fake. You know, it's pre-recorded. It kind of sucks. What's the point in a freestyle if it's pre-recorded?
Yo, Drake and Central C in the building. I'm gonna step out. They both gonna step in and body this. Alright, let's go.
So let's see with this mic change, right? You'll hear it. It's like, oh, it's not good. Let me just show you here. So GJ, yeah, pushing down to a bunch of crap. And yeah, Goldie's done that major push, which was the push of the morning, to be fair. Very nice. But again, it is FOMC, no rush. No rush.
Yeah. On the radar, 2023.
So he's speaking then.
6GOD, man, broski 2C. You know what it is. Some madness and badness. Combination. Yeah. Hey. Grr. On morning side, got no stick in the ride. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces. Cause
I think it's more Central C, that's more. I think Drake's is. Oh, no, that's not. So look, can you see? I wonder where it changes.
Baby, you love all some idiot guys, obedient guys, jokers and comedian guys. You know I'm see them reach inside. But we know some demon guys with jealous and evil. Out of high road, knew that I made it when I had drivers holding my last name. Emo. You saying well are you for? You ain't been on your you been eating swine.
Can you see how he's not even speaking?
Price. You saying well are you for? You ain't been on your you been eating swine. Nah. I ain't a man of your dreams, now you wish that.
See there, like that, he's completely miming that.
I ain't a man of your dreams, now you wish that you stay with your previous guy. They used to be 3.5s, now I can sell out the O2 Arena twice. Don't ask what the
Fucking hell, Goldie. GJ stopped me out and flew right down. Daylight robbery. Ugh. Don't know if it is though, bro. I mean, were you in a cell? Like, how did you get into a cell here, though? Like, if you wanted to take a cell here, the only way to get into a cell is probably if you wanted to be aggressive. You know, maybe the break of that 5-minute low. Getting into a cell earlier, I don't know how you got in, because it was just ranging. Man, the last thing I'm gonna do is take a loss before FOMC at this point. Yeah. 29 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. We're having a nice chill one today. Gold may retest the res on the 5. Yeah. Yes, sorry. Who else is here today? We got Christian, we got Harry, we got Dante. Where's Andrea? There's Andrea. Andrea, are you taking anything yet? You take anything? I saw that it was rejected 849 zone a few times, so I entered on a sell. Yeah. It's hard though, you don't know when it's gonna reject. And you don't know where you stop, you know, it stops above there, yeah. above that wick. No, missed the first support on W and gold. Yeah, same. Yeah, it's a little bit early. I would have missed it even if we started at 6:30 because it was literally running at 6:30. Whatever. I'm sick of chasing the times of doing it. I'm like, nah, I'd rather just do it when I'm up. Yeah, nice W on the 15 as well. Very nice. Yeah. Taking it easy. It's a good idea, man. Yeah, I mean, everyone in here who maybe if you're taking trades or maybe if you're not taking trades, you know, there is no rush, as I've said. The amount of times that this cycle has gone on again and again, and the best thing to do is just hold tight. Hold tight and wait up. Alright, fuck this music. I want some nice music on. Do 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 do. The radio station is on. Yeah, I'm chilling for now. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, like, tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Home invasion was persuasive.
From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Back when condom rappers.
Hey Max, can you please look back at the last FOMC in the charts and analyze it so we can prepare for the new release? Yeah. It will be a bit different this week though, unless it comes out as not putting the numbers up. But yeah, we went through it before. I think it pushed bearish. Yeah. 7 o'clock. Ran down 140 pips. 140 pips. Retrace a little bit, then close bearish, then continued. So, let's take a look and see, right? So let's take a look and maybe see why. Why do you think gold went bearish? So I'll show you the news. That's just how I feel. Nah. I don't like to. So last time, right? Let's discuss this, right? Last time, we did not move the percentage, which stayed the same. So why would maybe gold go down? Why? That is the question. If the M formed now, would you take it? It's so bullish, man. I hate taking them so bullish. These are the ones that, you know, when there's no magnet as well. I mean, this was the retest at 965. Let me just look it up. Wait, what? Oh, no, the hourly has not got to the high yet. This is the high of the zone. We're in the middle of the range. I know there's an order block there, which you can get rejection, but With M's, there has to be like resistance there. So yeah, it's not there yet. On the 30, yeah, it's not at a high. It's actually in the middle of a range. So fuck that. So for me, looking at FOMC last time, on June the 14th, we pushed bearish. Now for me, what that means is, you know, because we didn't put up the interest rates, okay, we kept them the same. It suggests that the US are cracking down on the inflation. They're getting it under control, because if they did put it up, you know, then that would be continuing the inflation, and then they know it's increasing. So because they didn't do that, it looks like it's slowing down well, which is good for the economy, good for you know, overall positive for the US. Obviously, if it's positive for the US, then gold should go down. That's how I look at it. Yeah, exactly. Has a. Think they're increasing again? Yeah. So if they're increasing it again, then gold should really go up, I think.
Morning, guys.
Morning, Christian.
No volume, bro.
Morning.
Morning, Dennis.
It was good volume before. Nice little bit of volume, but yeah. So move done, I think. Might be a GJW, Max. A GJW. We gotta wait. There's no W yet, brother. Good morning, Christian. What do you do at gym today?
Yeah, bro.
Chest.
Yes.
Very nice.
Fucking London, bro. No volume.
Yeah, it's pushed up. It's done that little move. But 8, oh yeah, I suppose 8 o'clock, isn't it? It's London Open, yeah. And no push. It's fine. It's FOMC today, bro. I never trade FOMC ever. Let's take a look then. Let's do some more analysis. So, when was the last time it got pushed up? Yeah, so May 3rd. Let's take a look at May 3rd then. May the 3rd. Because the forecast is apparently increasing them again. So May 3rd, let's take a look. Probably going to be here. No, that's the 2nd. Wait, what? That was a fucking monstrous push. May 3rd. Ah. Interesting. So I had a big spike bullish and then came back down, retested, and then continued. But obviously still bullish with the news, so... yeah, expect gold to be bullish today. They know, they know, they know.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of.
So yeah, the GJ one.
I agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me
Hourly just closed.
and they wanna see me pick back up. Well, where'd I leave it at? I know I exaggerated things. Now I got it.
So I think a W like this is risky business, man. We were very, very bearish. It hasn't like tapped a solid level. I suppose it has, but it's how it is. I mean, there is a little W here, but it was just one candle. You're basing your whole trade off one 5-minute candle. Really.
so drizzy, gon' pay it. Those my brothers, I ain't even gotta say it. That's just something they know.
They know, they know, they know.
They know, they know, they know. They know, they know, they know.
And there's goalie still going up. Trend is your friend. It's still pushing.
Real is on the rise. Fuck them other guys. I even gave them a chance to decide. Now it's something they know. They know, they know, they know. Yeah, I be yelling out money over everything. Money on my mind. Then she wanna ask when it got so empty. Tell her I apologize, happened over time. She says they missed the old Drake, girl, don't tempt me. If they don't get it, they'll be over you. That new shit that you got is overdue. You better do what you supposed to do. I'm like, why I gotta be
That's nice, Dennis. Yeah, it's a good bounce. 2 hour.
Soap opera rappers, all these niggas sound like all my children. And that's who you thinking is about to come and make a killing. I guess it really
They'll do another bounce again.
You know that they ain't even got it like that. You gon' hype me up and make me catch
I will play it.
like that. Cause I live for this, it isn't just a hobby like that. When they get my shit and play it, I ain't even gotta say it, they know. They know, they know, they know. They know, they know, they know. They know, they know, they know. Yeah, they know, yeah. That the real is on the rise. Fuck them other guys. I even gave them a chance to decide. Now it's something they know. They know, they know, they know. I be yelling out money over everything. Money on my mind. Tell them I apologize. It happened over time.
They know, they know, they know. Oh wow. Tomorrowland. Can you not go back? Oh, I hate that kind of music, man. It's too hard for me. Ugh. EDM is foul. Oh, I like this song. I like this song now. Vibes, good vibes, you know. This drowned in this world, yeah. Bam, 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 bam. Satanic music is all it is. Where is it? Did it change places or is it always one place?
As the sun is going down, we put our hands up. Are you ready?
My face don't know where I am, cause I got my drugs from Amsterdam.
That is huge. Oh my god. Yeah, mate, they need some Armin van Helden on. Tomorrowland, Armin van Helden is. I'd love to see it. 2019 it was. Oh myself. I can make sure. This whole set was amazing. Down, 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 down. DJ down, 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 down. Down. Why is the crowd so small, man? What the fuck? I'm held into G. They're all like fucking eight. They're a very, very old crowd. I'd be the youngest person there. I've had more than my share.
The feelers like.
Let's take a look on GJ. Holding the trend line. They've been holding trend lines very well recently, eh?
Goldie is going down.
Maar waarom staat hier een slotje op?
Rejecting.
Dat
Yes.
staat niet goed.
Big wicks.
Oh, yeah. The issue with it being so bullish like that, though, is 1 5-minute candle and you're just in the complete wrong trade. You know what I mean? Like 1 5-minute candle that just comes back up and you're out. You're done. Donezoed. Big 10-inch swinging wicks. So yeah, we'll see how it reacts to the support. It's still there at the moment on GJ. Again, though, just the actual like the candles is what I'm looking at. That makes me inferior, like, you know, scared of it. Like even here on Monday, a lot of wicks. There's a lot of wicks this week, which is hard because you don't know where the support is now. Like, you know, if I drew a line like there, you know, you have so many wicks below. It's very, very hard to find a clean zone anyway, even when they do push in this price action. So it's just time to chill out. I had a reality check yesterday. I've been green every single day for the last 3 weeks, my biggest strike so far. And yesterday I gave it back the last 2 weeks of profit. Damn, yeah, man. Yeah, it's a hard lesson, that. But it's the other thing, right? So you said here that you had a reality check. You know, you've been green every single day for the last 3 weeks, right? If you're green every single day for the last 3 weeks, which happens, you know, you get on some good run streaks. Well, what happens? Well, the first thing is that your confidence is very, very high. You know, you're feeling very confident. You're feeling like you could take over the world, let's say, especially at the start of trading. Now, the issue is, because you're so used to making it green every single day, the day where you can't physically make it green, because when was it? Did you lose all the profits yesterday? Yeah, yesterday was a hard day. Look at yesterday's price action. Well, yeah, if you wanted to trade the range, you know, buys in the range, but if you wanted to do any breaks, you're pretty goosed here. It means that you couldn't take the fact of taking a losing day because you haven't, you know, because you've been on such a streak. Whereas if all you could have done is just taken that one trade, got out of it, and go, right, you know what, the day's not looking the best. FOMC is tomorrow. Let's maybe just leave it until you know, a different day, you know. But getting to that point is, yeah, you got to be happy with what you get for the day. If you're not happy, you're gonna keep on clicking, and if you keep on clicking in a bad day, that money can disappear.
Yeah. Get your ass mushed, smushed. Yeah. 21. The biggest. Put a nigga in the chicken wing. Pussy.
21. Can you do something for me?
Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something for me?
21.
Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me?
Okay.
21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing. 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never send a bitch or die.
That was it. It was difficult to take that red day. I had many opportunities to stop with a small loss. There you go, man. So it's funny because trading, it's not even just taking a winning trade. It's also how you deal with, you know, taking the winning trades and knowing that you know, the next day might not be a winning day, and be happy with that. It's when you're not happy with it, when you see red on your terminal, when you say today and it's red, you've got to be careful with that. Yeah, true could, yeah. There's also a demand there as well, so it's hard, man. People are saying still the M1 gold. For me, it's not at res at the moment. It's still too bullish. Busy, but no. Overall, what's your monthly max? What are you thinking of going forward? Are you just going to ride the storm? Yeah, decided that, you know, the clean zones, I'm not going to be taking any closures really until I see that it works. I'm going to be focusing more on the W's and M's. Would I have taken this one this morning? Yeah, I would have taken it if I was here. Okay. At support, we held through Asia, we came back down. W, closure above, lower wick, buy, stop loss below. So yeah, it's just unfortunate it happened at 6:30 when we start stream. But the move's there, you know, it's there for people to take. A lot of people did take it, which is good. But I think a lot of people, even I think Brian, I think got in a little bit later on, waited for maybe the more of the 15W when this closed above. You know? Right, quickly go to the toilet, guys. But yeah, we're just chilling today, having some good conversations. Make sure to put some more questions in the chat. Anything, ask me about them. You know, maybe how I'm feeling at the moment with this, with the harder price action. You know, you're not alone if you're feeling a bit down on it. Let's have some discussions today. For 2 minutes, guys.
Major distribution, man, my label on my dick for real. Fucking with your friend and she ain't tell you y'all ain't shit for real. I've been out here crushing on success, now she my bitch for real. You say I'm persuasive, girl, but you can't spell that shit for real. In this mansion, I'm a Macaulay Culkin. Paid in full, I'm a Kai Fife. Know your type, we just did dinner for 3 hours. Lying to me all night. Buying BM's Benzes out of spite. Paid 100, ran a something light. Simple price to keep them out my life. Booby trap, we need a business office. Magic City need a business office. 29, I keep a business office. I'm in love with Houston, Dallas, Austin. Tell your guys to hold up on a team chain. Seem like they may need money for coffins. Cuban girl, a family grind coffee. Text me on the signal, don't call me. Major distribution labels call me. Bad Bunny numbers, it's a robbery. 500 million just for Aubrey. Yeah, major distribution, how I pop it. Mention me to be the hottest topic. Same place you send your bitches shopping. Okay, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid. Okay, okay, go stupid, stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid. Okay,
Nigga tried to play the shit light. Play it cool, play me like I'm sweet. Fucking on the op, nigga bitch. Say she missed the goals in my teeth. 4L shit, no we steppin'. Y'all should get the funeral preparing. SF90, this is not McLaren. Make a IG model run my errands. He go missing, we gon' spend his parents. Stayed in Houston long as Steve Francis. Shoot his feet, got him doing dances. Wiggin' niggas like I played at Kansas. Ever seen somebody get shot? Lot of shit I seen before the top. I ain't tryna wrestle like The Rock. Fuck the Trish, I'd rather silk the walk. Lot of things I do to stay alive. Everything except for call a cop. Savage still let his gun pop. Fox 5 gang, get you knocked. Major distribution labels calling. Harry Styles numbers, it's a robbery. My niggas going Zane to catch a body. We was face to face, you could've shot me.
okay, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid. Okay, okay, go stupid, stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid. Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still write these hoods.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga. Come get off your show, savage. Say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open while you acting like it's closed. I got me going in and out of sessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa, whoa.
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field.
How we doing? How we doing? Yeah, we chilling. Goldie still rejecting again, but again, 1 5-minute candle push back up. Everyone was looking for sales. I say, it's still very bullish, man. Remember, the trend is your friend. Unless you're at a big resistance, then you can maybe look, but it's a bit too bullish for me, and it's not at res. To you right now. Now you've got kind of the lower forming here. Then get a W, is that support. It's got a clean retest to go to, so you could maybe look for GJ buys later on. It looks like it. So close to you right now. Do you feel any financial pressure as this month is slow? Because before you double lotted at times when it was going slow to try and get more gains. I mean, in the past 2 months, yeah. I mean, the gain is not good. It's been pretty stagnant. But again, I made like quite a bit yet last week with that 7% trade on Monday. So yeah, just hovering. I always talk about that. You know, there's even in the hardest times, my equity curve is never like shagging it. It's just, yeah, you have times where it just kind of stagnates for a while. But I've already withdrawn money from this year, so it's, again, there's no pressure. It's just 2 months that maybe a little bit slow. And it's not even that they're slow, it's just the way they move was different to what we do. But we know now, you know, when it gets back to normal, it's great. And then when it starts coming back into more of these trades, we know what to do now. You need to remember as well, in terms of June, there was a lot of trades that I took that were so close to being massive trades, and I just went break even too quick. These 3 trades went. These 2 trades went. So this month could have easier been. I mean, there was 1 week where we should have got like 11-12%. I think it was this one here. But I was unfortunate. I just went break even. But in terms of now, well, I know that we discussed it yesterday. If it's M's and W's, if it's a decent support, then just leave the stop. If it's just a break, then go break even quick. Yeah, so you just learn from it, and then when this comes around again, then this will be a 10% month. It's fine. It's just yeah, just that kind of feeling. Was this such a nice prediction of the wicks and the hourly at June at this price point? That M is so tempting. Can I have your stance on funded accounts? I think they're pretty good now because yeah, they don't have time limits on, time restrictions on. Oh, Andrew, thank you for the dono, man. Thinking, yeah. I entered gold buys at 168. Gold buys? It's hard, man. It's the same thing that's happened again and again and again. One push. If you don't get the push, you get trapped. It happens so much recently. So just be a little bit cautious of that. Yeah. Needs at least a closure below there as well for the M. So it's going to be 14 seconds left for a closure. Hope so. Small wins seem to be the way to go for me. Yeah, man. There's been again recently a lot of 10 pip pushes and then rejections. Which is quite fun. It's gone back to the olden days. Like breakouts, just getting 10 pips and dipping. Yeah, NY still goes. True. True that, true that. Yeah, especially because I trade mostly breakouts, we're getting in the move quite late. Yes, 100%. And because there's no juice, there's no volume after the push, you get cautious.
Tell me what you took right now. I'll match double what you want. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know which cup that I'm on. I don't think I need more, but I might take another one.
Oh yeah, I was asking my friends this last night, right? If you had to see, now think of this, right? If you had to see, I think I've asked this before, but I like this question. If you could see one performer, like one singer live, you know, at their concert, who would you go to see? Dead or alive? Dead or alive, who would you go see? Who would you go see? Can you repeat that? If you had a chance to see someone live, live, like at a concert, a singer, who would it be? It can be dead or alive. Like, if you had to pick out of everyone ever, who would it be? Tupac? Yeah, there's people who've been saying Tupac. Jeez. Mac Miller, Adele. Oliver's got my answer. MJ, yeah. Michael Jackson for sure. Gotta be Michael Jackson, man. Tupac. Tupac's a big one. I'm not really a fan of Tupac. I don't really know some of his songs. But Queens, yeah, Queen's a good one. Who the fuck is Chester Bennington? Ah, Linkin Park, yeah. Linkin Park. My second one would probably be Coldplay, to be fair, and I saw them, so I'm buzzing about that. Just need Michael Jackson. That'd have been sick. Michael Jackson's concerts look fire. Got to be Big Man Cinch, yeah. Big Man Central C. What's his real name? What the fuck? Oakley Neal. It's amazing. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, Drake as well. I like to see Drake live. Drake's concerts look sick, don't they? All like this stuff going on. The recent one, like with the paper airplane stuff, looks cool. Where's the spaceship? He's got so many bangers as well. I want to see where that paper airplane is. That 21 as well, jeez. I love 21 Savage. Holy Kendrick, yeah. Yeah, Kendrick Lamar. No one said Whitney Houston, to be fair. I'd like to see Whitney live. Wouldn't be much going on, I suppose, but it'll be a beautiful voice. Max, can you please stream FOMC? At 7 o'clock? Fuck that. Hell no. Actually, I can't. I'm doing football. I've got football. Got 5 aside, boy. I got football, brother. So you won't be trading FOMC? Nope. Playing football. Football. To be honest with you, the one that changed interest rates last time wicked up and then back down, so it's quite aggressive. Considering I haven't made any money in recent times, I'm not really asked about taking a news trade. Is anyone eyeing up this GJW? No, it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. Yeah. Big level of support. Mate, the London streamers have just gone, man. Everyone's taking time off. Yeah.
When I trade you anymore, nah. My win rate
Never.
was very low. Even though I took less trades,
Shout out King A, my mind. He's a G. I don't like that the W prefer it lower at like 181 level. Okay, yeah, I see that.
You're also respecting daily, previous daily low.
Yeah. Yeah, very true, very true. Big level of support here. So yeah, we could do later on. Tired, you got nothing left to live. How's Kiko doing, my boy?
For you, that's the question. What's up with you? You know? What's up with you?
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
How was the yesterday?
Huh?
Did the hips lie or did the hips don't lie?
Hey, the hips. I think the hips are turning a bit more now. If I didn't
Oh?
actually see that video, my hips
I
are
didn't
turning.
even see it. Did you post a new one?
Yeah.
With the oversized white t-shirts? Come on.
Yes, sir. Mate, look at the hips, bro. My cock's swinging. You know, my hips are turning. Hell
How
yeah.
much feel?
Mate, it felt good, man, and they were fucking flying much higher. It's getting much higher on the ball. And like my legs are planted, I think.
Some big legs, you know.
Huh?
You have some big legs.
Mate, my girlfriend takes the mick out of me that I've got small legs. She's a brat.
Yeah?
She wants me to have fucking massive, bloody quadzillas.
Like me, dude.
My dad's got massive legs, to be fair. I don't know why he hasn't given me them fucking genes.
It's probably from accelerating the whole day, man.
Huh?
Probably from hitting the throttle the whole day.
Yeah, he was skiing. My dad was skiing, right? I know he was snowboarding, and obviously snowboard doesn't have like the proper hard boots. The kind of like just like soft fabric. Some woman went into the back of him like full speed with skis on and fucking sliced his calf open. It looked, It's like fucking. Imagine if the muscle wasn't there, it would just go straight through his leg. It's like, oh my god. So now it looks like he's got a shark bite. It's like a full curve on it.
Interesting, this.
Yeah. Yeah. No, you don't deserve it.
Previous daily candle closed bullish.
So let's just look to the left hand side. What do we actually have here? This is the thing. It's a little bit choppy though. That's my only issue. There's no real. Wait, Andrew said you spotted something. You said that there was a demand zone. Was it on the hourly? Oh, it's the hourly. Yeah, no, hourly. I see that. Yeah. Yeah. Fake out on the trend line. Yeah, I mean the only issue is obviously we haven't broken this high as well, so it's not like continuing with the trend. We're just at a support. Yeah, and it'd be a good retest as well. It's like 729. No, you won't deserve it. I need to know for certain. Tell me, are you worth it? Should. So it didn't close above yet. Back to the daily flip. Would look okay.
I missed everything. I wanted to be in gold, but to be honest, bro, it was rainy. I opened my window and I just fell back asleep.
Yeah, man, there's a W down here, bro. At support. Oh, he's gone. The bosses came in. In it, and a retest on the 15 as well. Fucking tosser. GG, no!
I fucking opened it to
I'm done with London, that's it. Nah, I still have my 2 minutes 50 left.
And I think today's gonna be a trading day for me.
Yeah. Hey, it's FOMC, bro. It's fair.
Let's just take a buy now and hopefully it goes up.
Ico, hoe gaat het?
Goed man, met jou?
Ja, goed.
Iets gepakt?
Wat zei je?
Iets gepakt?
Ja, vanmorgen.
Ja, goud?
Goud, gold, yes.
Mm?
Een buy-positie.
Okay.
Dus dat was goed.
Ah. In de ochtend vroeg.
Ja, een uurtje geleden denk ik. Hoe laat is het? Ja, klein uurtje geleden. Afgesloten.
Mm.
Het was de W. En dan even kijken.
Oh, helemaal onder.
Ja, helemaal. Nee, niet helemaal onder. Wacht even. Ik moet hem even mijn chart erbij pakken. Het was van. Even kijken. 1964. 81.
Ja.
Ik viel weer in slaap, man. Ik wou die ook, maar...
Moet je niet werken dan?
Jawel, maar pas om 9 uur.
Oh, lekker.
Ja.
Maar dat is nu, hè?
Ja.
Het is kwart voor 10.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
I don't know why, but I've been sleeping a lot.
Voor je ook aan gewoon met de machine man.
Getting that sleeping, brother. To be fair, yeah, most of the London moves are quite hard to catch anyway. It's best to wait in NYSE and then.
Did you see my snap? Like, it was pouring down and then I just fucking closed my eyes. And, and when I woke up, it was like fucking 8:45.
Yeah. So yeah, looking like here now, the issue is obviously it's already done the move, really, unfortunately, but it's nice. We did discuss it. But what I wanted was this candle here to close above there. So yeah, now obviously it'd be hard to get in now because now you're just obviously retesting here. This is where my first take profit would have been. So that'd be TP1, TP2 would be like there, 850.
I'm very upset that Mr. Biden. Well, that's nice as well. You see how on the 5 minutes you reacted to the 50% mark?
Yeah. On gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See how
boy.
it's so nice. It's just like a level that you can just kind of rely on.
Yeah.
So if you get a celery breaking above it, or if you get a I don't know, a rejection of it, it's really nice.
Beauty, beauty.
I don't know if Brian's here. Your silly fucking line was stupid.
I waited 19 minutes for that GJ. Fuck. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good, man. We get the direction right.
As long as you see it before it happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
100%. And that's been happening a lot, man. We've been seeing the moves. Just once you start seeing them, and get a bit of confidence, you can just get in when you don't need all the variables. But right now, it's best to wait. I look at this now.
Yeah,
so,
you need to slap that Asian
low.
Yeah. Dennis, do you do funded or do you do are you trading your own capital?
Just beter.
I traded with my own capital.
Okay, 1 second.
Oh, yummer.
Yeah, so Andrea was talking about gold here, saying that there was a little bit of an issue on the 3 minute. This is a candle bearish, which is a interruption candle for the buys. So price can't hold them levels. So if you want to be really in depth, you could have waited for maybe a closure below there. But yeah, the difference here, because you'd be like, Max, well, look, this is an M, and you didn't take it. Sorry, was it an M? Yeah, you could say it was an M closure below there. And you didn't take that one, but, you would have taken the GJ one. What's the difference? Well, the difference is that we are at support. Obvious. Look, I could put a line there, and, I could tell a 4-year-old, a 4-year-old could tell me that's support. Whereas, if you look at gold here, does that look like support? There's an order block which makes it we've rejected, which we did do a little bit at the start, but it's not at resistance really. The main resistance is up here. Yeah, because we had support here, resistance, so we're in the middle of a range. So taking an M in the middle of a range is just not needed, man. I'm telling you. Look, going back testing, there's no point. Max, you ain't active on IG nowadays. I just can't be arsed with it. I need to, but I'll be back next week. I just had to go through a lot of mental stuff this week and last week and last month. Be back to normal next week. And there we go. No, taking profit there would make sense because it's just retesting, remember? You can get the push off a zone if you know it's going to go, but always remember when it breaks a zone, it loves to go retest before then maybe continuing down. So you've got to make sure if you come into them levels, make sure to take your position off. Yeah, right, bossa. No, King A, the Goldie. Oh, he was very close to that. That's there. We winning? Yeah, we're chilling coolly. We've discussed a couple ideas. One happened. The main trade happened at 6:30. I started the stream a little bit later today, 7. But even if we started at 6:30, we would have missed it because I wouldn't have marked up my charts in time. That's fine. None of my time to do it, boy. We're saying your new video going well. Yeah, if you guys are into Formula 1, make sure to go and check out our boy's page. He's doing really well. Look at this. 27k. Cole, do you see what I said though? 2 videos at the same time. One tends to rip. Still not bad though. Eh? I don't know why. It's just it's same with Instagram. Like you can't just post like 2 or 3. You got to post it like once a day. Second one instantly wiped out the first one. Yeah. Was that W11 the fastest F1 car ever? Really? I saw some videos of it and it gripped the ground like a motherfucker. Mate. Look how quick it went around that corner. Holy shit. He does not need a brake or nothing. He's ripping it right round that corner. Was this Lewis? Yeah.
Oh, you found the video of me driving?
Mate, that's a good track, that. What track's this? See if I recognize it. A Hungarian. Yeah, what a track that is. Look how quick it is. Fuck. Man, I bet that's so sick being an F1 car, man. That'd be hilarious. What are these visuals? Jeez.
It's just going to be one of those days that gold just pushes before FOMC and then just pushes even more.
Yeah, it just keeps on ripping. Oh man, if you only just got up 20 minutes before.
I'm jealous of Brian, to be honest.
Jealous of Dennis. Dennis was in. Everyone was in. It's good stuff, man. It's just how much do you want this really, you know? I'm a bit lacking motivation at the moment, but again it's just getting up, boy.
Yeah, those moves set up before the volume comes in.
Yeah, so you realistically have to get to the charts at like minimum 5:50, 6 o'clock to really mark up before, and then the move is at 6:30.
Every morning at 6, I'm there.
Yeah. I've been struggling with not seeing light in it. So obviously Caitlin's away now. So I've been like opening the blinds and it's so much better. So I might have to go get another light. I used to have a light, but I broke it. But I think I need to do that because the lack of light in the morning makes me still tired for ages. Is Dennis the same time here or?
No.
I sleep with my blind halfway down. Yeah, I would if Caitlin wasn't.
I want to buy one of those alarm lamps. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I've had one. The issue is, I've broken the light so many times because the bulb is like. Yeah, I'll show you which one I got. Yeah, like I got like one like this, but the issue is that the bulb is beating so light, like it's really, really hot. If you knock it over when it's fully lit, the light bulb cracks instantly because it's so hot. So you need like backup bulbs. You can't just buy them from the shop. They're quite like big bulbs.
Really?
But yeah, I might have to get one of these. Helps wake you up big time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy one today. Where should go, work or trip? She just went home for a bit. Yeah. Wanted to get away from me. Right, so 9 o'clock now, guys. Yeah, I think chill out today. Don't worry about it. If you took some trades this morning, great job. I think in terms of everything else, yeah, I wouldn't too worry about it. I think you know, today is going to be mainly based off that FOMC. So yeah, just don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, brother. Yeah, Cole, don't worry about it. It's just LS1. What are they going to do with that? So yeah, make sure to chill out, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Make sure to remember, it's only one day. You can miss it, you know. Take the day off if you fancy it, because for the most part, when that news kicks off, you know, a couple hours before, it's going to be ranging. You may see some volume in NY. We'll wait until NY, see if we can get anything. But for the most part, just chill out. People in the mentorship will do the 4-hour gold sim. We'll start maybe at like 11. We'll say half 11. Half 11 we'll do. And then obviously we'll finish then. It'll be like 1:30. It'd be good. Okay? So thank you so much for coming on, guys. Peace out. See you guys tomorrow for a fresh day. Tomorrow will be fun. Okay? Peace out, guys. Adios, amigos. See you later, Dennis. See you later, Kiko.
See you later, everyone.
See you later. See you later. Adios, adios. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Peace out. See you later, guys. Adios.